G'day mates, how's it going? I'm Mr. GT, welcome to the channel. Well, today you find me at Penrith Homemaker Cars Under the Stars event, and we're going to be doing an exit video of the cars leaving. I'd also like to give a big shout out to my friend Con in Greece, who is in the big heat over there, and we in Australia are shivering, so have a thought for us there, Con. So everybody grab that icy cold beer, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Listen to this wild Tirana. And a wild SS. Mate, that is one beast. There's a beautiful blue PK SS Coupe Commodore and the Holden dealer team one. The Monaro GTS 4-door about to take off. Sounding wild. The Wild Nissan, ladies and gents. Nice.
The photo of a trophy, it's pink in colour with the photo of a trophy. You are more than welcome.
There's a beautiful WRX, ladies and gents. Sounding beautiful, reminds me of my one in Greece. And the blower valve, having a bit of a sneeze, the XR5 over here. Sounding nice. XA GT 4-door and an XA Falcon 500 4-door. Nice. And the Holden 61 model. Check it out, ladies and gents, the Clubby. Yes, indeed. Bit of a setup in the engine bay. Does that sound wild or what? Rami Seta. The Charger, ladies and gents. And the Ford Ute. Sounding beautiful. Check out the SS Commodore, ladies and gents. Sounding nice and lumpy. There goes the Nissan. Nice looking car. Here we go. A couple of Toyotas. Beautiful SS. Nice. Listen to the burble of that. Beautiful. Check out this beautiful grey one, ladies and gents. Mint standard condition. Check out this Tuff Cortina, ladies and gents. Beautiful. Listen to that. Yes, sirree. Capri GT. And the 280 SE Mercedes. Valiant, ladies and gents, this little beauty. Nice, vicious Valiant. So we have this beautiful 1963 Holden and the Trans Am following behind. Listen to that burble. Rotary. Hey, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful. It's sweet. Couple of wild sounding rotaries. Couple of skylines. Look at this Tuff XD, ladies and gents. What a beauty. Loving it. Listen to the idle of that, eh? Got the shaker on the bonnet. Mate, how'd you be in this thing, huh? Love it. Sick. Yes, indeed. And a beautiful Commodore. Sounding lovely. Toyota Celica and the Nissan. And the Veil Commodore. No mucking around. Check out this lovely Ford XR8, ladies and gents, in the beautiful green. Love that colour, I have to say. How sweet do these V8 sound, eh? GDIs! Honda Prelude. And of course the Commodore Calais. See, even just taking off like that, you can still hear the beast. You know it's a fast car. There's a wild WRX. The Boxer. And a lovely ute. Oh yes, this VL Calais, ladies and gents, what a beauty. Love the green and the silver, and those black wheels look sick. No mucking around. Full immaculate. Yes, sir. Check out this Gemini, ladies and gents. A beautiful one. The red and the gold Simmons. Nice. And a Charger behind it. Got this Tuff Tirana, ladies and gents, in a beautiful orange. And those beautiful chrome wheels. Looking sick. Full immaculate. Commodore VLSS Group A, Walkie. And the SS Commodore. Holden Kingswood, immaculate. And another Commodore Calais. Check out that beast, and then the Supra, and my voice. Lovely. Check out the Monaro. GTS is back, ladies and gents. Couple of beasts down the other side. And the SSU. Another beautiful black one. And the GTS Monaro. What? Got the skyline rolling in. Beautiful Ford with the gold wheels. Oh yes, there's that XD with a nice scoop on the front. Nice. That Escort, ladies and gentlemen. Nice and zippy. Another Nissan across the road. We get to some beautiful stuff. This beautiful early model Ford. And this is Camaro behind it. Just take them off nice and slow. Beautiful Camaro SS. Love those cars. It's couple of beasts coming in with the 370Z over there. And the Toyota Celica over here. I've got a 61 Holden Special. At this SS Commodore, ladies and gents. Beautiful. Nice and lumpy idle. Listen to that. Yes, sir. And another lumpy sounding Commodore. Nice. Another club sport, ladies and gents. Beautiful. Love it. One immaculate Kingswood station wagon. Listen to that. Comes that beautiful early Holden, early model Holden, I should say, not early Holden. And a Commodore following with the pops and crackles. There's a lovely rotary with purple. Takes off in a beautiful Commodore Acclaim. Nice. And a beautiful Camaro. Check out this lovely Commodore. And there goes the Corvette. My mate's Corvette. And the beautiful Cortina. The SLR 5.7 litre 350 Chevy. Sick. That's a wild sounding RX-7 in the purple. Nice. What a lovely sounding Commodore. The beautiful panel van and the ute to follow, the beautiful burble of the V8. There's a beautiful BMW. Nice. And the hot rod on this side. There's a lovely GT Ford Falcon and the Corvette to follow. And the hot rod. WRX. Listen to that. And of course the Honda Civic. And the Golf to follow. Check out the WRX. There's a few nice beasts are rolling out. On this side the Maloo Commodore. And a green one behind it. Nice. The Dado. Yes, indeed. It's a little bike. Looks like fun. This rotary follows. And another one here, maroon. They get up and go, those little things, don't they? Comes another one on his peas. Oh, and that lumpy Capri. Rummy setup in there. That sounds wild. XYGT in a beautiful yellow with a nice lumpy idle. Beautiful. Pure T4. Got something sounding nice over here, a Ute Ford. Something beefy coming in, I think. No, it's my imagination. We have the XR8 utility. Beautiful Commodore. Look at the shine on that, eh? Sick. As we come back to the WRX. RX-7. The Holden Ute.
Hey, Mr. GT!
See you, buddy. And there goes Luca in the GTR. Nissan Skyline, yes indeed. The Ford F100 Ute, carrying a horse. No, not horse. Hot potato. And another wild sounding Chevy Ute over here, ladies and gentlemen. Yes indeed. Listen to that. And the Mustang, looking wild in that shiny red colour. Oh mate, check out this Charger. How wild does that sound? The whole ground is a K Charger. Hey. Listen to that. Oh yes. And another one over here, ladies and gents. Oh yeah! This means 1963 Holden. Oh mate.
64.
64, okay. Sorry buddy. Check that out. What a beautiful beast. In the purple, blue and white. Fucking going colourblind. The Mustang Mach 1. Beautiful. And the Ute. Trying to do a little bit muscle car styles. The Falcon 500. And there's the guy with the stereo. It was pumping earlier inside the show.
Oh, Mr. GT!
You're back.
We the winners!
All right. Oh almost thought that was Luca again. It was another one. Nice. Got a 4-door Nissan over there. And the BMW behind it. And the Mini in front of those. A few lights. Georgie boy! I didn't see that car in the walk around, but here he is. Somehow I missed it. Right, ladies and gents, check out that beautiful Ford Ute Custom Club. And the SS Commodore. Right. Listen to that. SS Commodore in blue. Bit of a rev there, sounding nice and wild. Suzuki Swift. Couple of cars in Toyota. Cars trying to come in. As we take a look at that big tank of a beast. Oh yes, there goes the bus, the school bus. And the beautiful XT-GT. Nice. There goes a beautiful Celica. De Tomaso. Super, I should have said, not Celica. The wild Skyline. Commodore on his heels rolling in. No mucking around. How are you, buddy? The beautiful Holden Ute panel van. Listen to that wild GDS. Commodore. Another lovely Nissan, ladies and gents. Check out this green Commodore, sounding very, very lumpy. Hold on, one sec. Check it out, ladies and gents. Check out those two beautiful beasts, ladies and gents. Nice. And the XT. No, XW. There goes the coupe. The wall 6263 panel van Holden. Immaculate car. Brand spanker. One lovely beat up. Nissan Skyline. And another beautiful ute, panel van. Another panel van following. Sounding beautiful. Listen to this beauty. Oh yes. There goes a Mitsubishi. Check out this Commodore. It's a beautiful Holden Calais. Just had a bit of a hit. Here comes an early. See you later, buddy. The early model Falcon. I think these are the XLs. I think this is an XL, XMXP. I think that's the XL. Could be wrong. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. There's another lovely Commodore. And another silver. All these daily driven monsters. Yes, indeed. Listen to that. Couple of beasts rolling in.
What's this for? Is it for YouTube? Yeah, let's go! What's the channel? What's the channel?
Horsepower Addiction.
Sorry?
Horsepower Addiction.
I'm stopping today.
Thanks, man.
Horsepower addiction.
Cheers.
Horsepower, remember it?
XR6. Another Commodore. We'll have some fun in the Cherokee. And here comes one Tuff Valiant, ladies and gents. Immaculate car. The Valiant Regal. old Ute, Commodore. Yes, sir. One wild hot rod, ladies and gents. Sounding sick. Oh yeah. The two-door XR, ladies and gentlemen, or is it an XT? It's an XR. Beautiful. Very nice. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of the exit video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your support. Don't forget to pound that subscribe button, punch that notification bell, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.